Okay. Hi. So we're starting off this video by taking off the makeup that I already have on so I can put on more makeup and have it look extra. It is storming outside, so if you hear like random like that, then I apologize. Taking my identity off right now. Ow! Okay, well, that was not... And it's watering now, and I'm crying. Hey guys, so today's video I'm going to be showing you how to be extra for school. I am starting by putting basically, it's gonna be for school, because if you wear a lot of makeup to school and you're extra, you know, you do you, but like it takes me at least 30 minutes to put on a full face of makeup. I don't even wake up 30 minutes before I'm in my first class, so yeah. So the first step to being extra is putting on some expensive full coverage foundation. Okay, this is not full coverage, but this is the best I have. And we're gonna put that everywhere. We're gonna beat that into our face. And because we're so extra, the Shape Tape foundation wasn't high coverage enough, and we have to grab our actual Shape Tape concealer in the shade Fair Neutral. Oh my god, I have to wear this to work. Oh my god, I'm gonna break out. Wow. Let's blend this out. I feel like my concealer is way too pale for me right now, but you know, we're just living our best life, our best extra life.
Literally all I'm thinking about is how cakey my face is gonna be.
Beauty is pain, people. We're gonna bake our face because that is how you become extra, you know? How to be extra 101. Come on, Daisy. Yeah!
Yeah!
We're gonna brush away the bakage, you can say. I should have done my eyes first. Why do I always do this to myself? We're gonna contour and bronze to, you know, match my face to my body. I'm using my Pacifica bronzer because this is the only bronzer I use. And because we're basic and extra, it is coconut based. Now we are going to contour. I'm using my only contour kit and the only contour color that I have ever used and will ever use. My very beaten up Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. We're gonna contour our nose because the center of our face is a little bit, you know, too white. Okay. I'm gonna blend. We're gonna bake under our cheekbone. So we're gonna do our eyebrows because we need it. I'm using the Benefit Gimme Brow in the darkest color first. I know guys, I'm switching up my eyebrow routine. Now we're gonna fill in our eyebrows like Instagram tutorials show us how to do it. We're gonna start by doing the underline. This is just how the Instagram tutorials show us. The Instagram makeup gurus. I like don't have a spoolie on my brush because it broke. I'm kind of depressed about that. And what's even more depressing is that I can't afford to buy a new brush. So yeah. Okay, now we're gonna do the same thing on the other eyebrow, and it has to look exactly the same. We are extra, which means our eyebrows have to be twins, not sisters. Wipe the bake off. Because we're extra, we're gonna be wearing glitter on our eyelids today. We're gonna start off with Sweetheart, I think, and Jet Setter. We're gonna do a cut crease because we're extra and we blend extra. Broken. We're taking my Shape Tape concealer. Let's do a line. And we're gonna put this right at the edge and you like blend. Y'all, we're really, you know, living life on the edge. So now we're doing the most extra thing I think we can do, and it's also the most dangerous thing, and it can really make or break this look. And I'm contemplating, you know, just like not doing it at all, but let's put on some eyeliner. Oh my god, that actually looks decent. Guys, we successfully put on eyeliner. What is this? What kind of world are we living in where Megan successfully puts on eyeliner? We're gonna do mascara. And because we're extra, we also have to glow to the gods and blind all of the haters at school who judge other people for being extra. Yes.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you over my glow.
We're gonna be putting on some Velvet Matte liquid lipstick. Don't know what brand this is from. Oh, I guess it's Forever 21 brand, but. And there we go. Now we're ready to go to school and sit in a classroom for 8 hours. Can't forget the glasses, you know. Nerd stereotype 101. And this is the completed look. This is what you do when you want to look extra for school, you know, just like a full face of a glam of makeup. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. Also, don't forget to make sure to follow me on all of my social media. I have Snapchat and Instagram. That's pretty much it. I don't really use any of my other ones. You can follow me on Twitter, but like I don't really use it, so
yeah, that's pretty much it.
I love you guys. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video because you're gonna subscribe. Bye.